Assalamu alaikum students. हमारा our topic is perpendicular lines. Okay. Perpendicular lines, we can define the perpendicular lines as two or more lines making at angle 90 degree. Okay, if two lines they are making the angles 90 degree, they are called the perpendicular lines. Okay, the material we need for this are, we can use a set squares. These are two set squares. Set square, this is also a set square. It's this angle is 90 degree and this is 45 and this is also a 45 degree angle. And if we use this set square, it's called 30-60 degree set square because it has 90 degree and this angle is making 60 degree. Okay, and this angle is making 30 degrees. We can also use protector for that. uh, a protector can measure up to 180 degrees. If we start from here, this is 0 degree, then we will read its inner readings, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, and it will go up to 90. Okay, and this 90 degree line is making angle 90 with this horizontal which is approaching to 0 degree. Okay, similarly, on a left hand side there is a 0 degree as well, but it's on the outer side. So if we are counting the degrees from this side, then we will count the outer degrees, outer graduations, outer measurements. Okay, first of all, we will see how to draw a perpendicular line on a point at a line. Okay, it means that a line is given, it may be of any measurements. Okay, for example, we can say that this is a 7 centimeter or 8 centimeter, it doesn't matter, whatever the measurements are given, we can draw the line AB. And any point is given on this line and we need to draw the perpendicular on this point. Okay, there are a number of methods. First of all, using protector, we need to place a protector so that, see it there, this cross is at our given point P, and the horizontal line of the protector just coincide the line AB. Okay, this is the horizontal line of the protector and this is our given line. We will place a protector so that the both lines coincide exactly. Okay, or you can say that these are initial arms of the angle and it should be at 0 degree. Okay, now we will see where the 90 degree is. We will place a mark on the 90 degree. Okay, and then after removing the protector with the help of ruler, we can join these 2 points and we can draw these the line here, and that line would be perpendicular line on AB. Okay, the other method is using the set square. If we want to use set square, then we will place set square so that its 90 degrees side is just on the point P. Okay, and this horizontal line is on the other side. Okay, and is just coinciding with the line. And now here if we draw the line, then this line would also be at 90 degree and it will be called a perpendicular line. And the other method which I'm going to demonstrate here is with the help of the compass. Okay, first of all, we will open the compass of suitable radius. Radius means that the radius at which we can draw the arc easily. We will place the needle at P and we will draw the semicircle on this line. Actually, okay. Okay, now this is completed. After it, we will open the compass a little bit so that we can draw the arcs easily. One arc we will mark from the right side of this semicircle to here, and other arc we will place the needle on the opposite side of this and we will place a mark here. Okay, now these two arcs are intersecting at this point. Okay, now we will place a ruler here and we will join this line. Okay, now this line is perpendicular to AB. We can name it as well. For example, if we name it as XY, we can write up here that XY, or we can also represent it by putting a bar over it. It means that this is a line segment XY. Line segment XY is perpendicular. This is the shape of perpendicular. This could be just straight horizontal line and a perpendicular line. This is the symbol for perpendicular. Okay, if we say that the XY line segment XY is perpendicular on this line segment AB. Okay, so it's written here that XY line segment is perpendicular to line segment AB. Or we can also say that the AB is perpendicular to XY, or we can say that XY is perpendicular to AB because both are perpendicular to each other. So that's how a perpendicular lines are drawn. And the next is drawing a perpendicular line from a point which is outside the line. For example, you can see that this line GE line segment is given here, and there is a point P which is not on the line but it's outside the point. It's very easy. It's very easy. We will place the needle at P and we will mark an arc on this line GE. Now this arc is intersecting the line at these 2 points. We will find the midpoint of these 2 points, that is we will bisect these 2 points. And now the method of bisecting is that place your compass at one side and draw an arc, and then with the same length without changing the radius of the compass, putting the needle on the other side and draw an arc which will intersect the previous. arc, and these two intersecting arcs will make a point here. Okay, now we can name it. For example, if we say Q, now let's join the PQ. If we join the PQ, then this is a perpendicular from P, this would be 90-degree, and we can say that here PQ is perpendicular to GE, or GE is perpendicular to PE. Okay, this in this question, in this scenario, a line GE was given and a point P was given, and we have drawn a perpendicular from this point on this line. For that purpose,